G'day, I'm Damon Miller, Senior Engineering and Quality Manager for Snowy 2.0. My role is to work with our design, manufacturing and construction teams to plan and deliver the engineering solutions behind this pumped hydro expansion of the mighty Snowy scheme. This month, we'll update you on TBM Kirsten, the machine putting Snowy 2.0 at the forefront of TBM tunnelling innovation, along with the unique concrete segments she will install as part of the incline pressure shaft excavation and lining. Let's take a look at what's been happening. After finishing the 2.9 kilometre emergency cable and ventilation tunnel, TBM Kirsten has been substantially modified for her next critical role, excavating the incline pressure shaft or IPS. This very steep 1.6 kilometre, 10 metre diameter shaft forms part of the waterway and will connect the headrace tunnel with the underground power station. Snowy 2.0 is constructing the IPS with a concrete segment lining, which will be a world first. Let's hear from Project Director Dave Evans about the specially manufactured segments being used for this shaft.
I honestly think they're going to change the world of hydropower because it means we can do less steel lining, we can move power stations closer to the surface, which is what we've done here, and construct an incline pressure shaft with a tunnel boring machine, which all makes it safer, quicker, and quality a lot better.
To cope with the extreme and fluctuating water pressures in the IPS, the concrete segment rings lining the tunnel require bespoke connectors. The Force Activated Coupling System, or FACS, especially developed steel couplers with pin and socket elements. When the segment rings are interlocked, the pre-stressed FACS keep the joint closed when the tunnel experiences sharp changes in pressure from turbine operations and shutdowns. It's like water hammer when we open and close a tap at home, just on a much larger scale. This new technology has been developed by future generation joint venture partner WeBuild and their designer Lombardi, with the FACS segments being manufactured here at our precast factory in Cooma. We are conducting a large-scale test by installing 8 FACS rings to link the emergency cable and ventilation tunnel with the IPS. Miguel Pantaghini, the Snowy 2.0 TBM Deputy Manager, is a key part of this process.
Future Generation is proud to be involved in an engineering feat that has never been done before. We have a lot of experience adopting tunneling methodologies to suit varying conditions, and this mechanical activated segmental lining is cutting-edge technology.
Innovative design by the leading TBM manufacturer Heron Connect has allowed TBM Kirsten to be modified to safely tunnel uphill. The machine's working platforms, equipment and operator cabins all pivot to remain horizontal, and the walkways become steps and ladderways. A screw conveyor will move the excavated rock from the cutter head. This feeds into a sandwich conveyor that has face-to-face rubber belts to hold the material so it can be transported down the steep slope without spillage. The IPS is on a 47% incline, so a monorail is being installed to transport workers, and there is a rack and pinion system for multi-service vehicle access, including segment delivery up the steep slope to the TBM. Thanks for watching our March Snowy 2.0 video. Stay tuned for next month's project update. You can also follow Snowy Hydro on our social media channels, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.